back with another video. Today we finna laminate my eyebrows. So before we get into the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay y'all, so I ordered these off of Shein. I was about to say Amazon. I ordered these off of Shein for $1 or $1.50. So yes, if you missing eyebrows, go get you some. So we finna test these out. I'm gonna show y'all my eyebrows. I'm gonna get up close and personal. Don't talk about my eyebrows. Y'all know they always look a mess. I don't do my eyebrows. Like I might shape them a little bit with like a I cannot talk. Eyebrow razor, but I don't really like do a lot. So I haven't even touched my eyebrows in a minute since I got some breakouts in them. But these are the girls. Those are the girls. So I'm gonna cut out a pair and come out. I cannot talk today, y'all. I started school last week. I am so tired. I'm so tired. So I'm sorry if what I be saying don't make sense. Now these eyebrows, let me show y'all them up close. They come in one color, I'm pretty sure. I don't think I was able to choose the color. So one color fits all. Just remember that. Hopefully these will be easier to cut out than the edges were. If you haven't seen my tattoo edge video, make sure you go watch that. I'm gonna link it below. Ooh, I could just leave the thing like this. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, that's too close together. I lied. So how have you guys been doing? Y'all don't ever talk to me in the comments below for real unless we talking about my skin. And I'm gonna need y'all to start checking in. So somebody need to tell me how they doing in the comments. Anybody.
I guess not.
We getting somewhere. Now I kind of feel like they're not even. They might be. So time to stick. So if you do like tattoo anything from Shein, a good way to get it off your face, because I didn't talk about this in my other video, but you can use some micellar water. I just used mine, it came right off. So that's a way to get rid of it. I hope these come out good. I also got some setting powder to put on them just in case they come out shiny. I really didn't line these eyebrows up like super good either. So baby, I'm just sticking stuff on my face at this point. I'm gonna do the other one before we reveal them. Hey y'all, so I'm looking in the mirror. I don't think this gonna turn out right, cause this eyebrow kind of high. Lord, we having technical difficulties already. This video wasn't even supposed to be that hard. This one won't be on camera. I wonder how long these will last. I mean, technically I could leave these on my face to see how long they last. Okay, y'all ready for the wave check? Dang, my hands sound a little rough. I'm about to start a fire. Okay. Ooh, hold on. if my eyebrows underneath them were like cleaned up a little better, this would be cute. Let me look. They are a little shiny up close though. Okay, hold on. We giving senior citizen little gray eyebrows. Hold on. Didn't ask for that. See, I messed that one up. Who told me to put that much setting powder? Oh, I swear. Okay, look at this one. This is cute. This is cute. This is not my color. This is cute. Okay. Like I said, if I just clean my eyebrows up some, and then if like I had my makeup done, I wouldn't even have to put anything on my eyebrows. This is actually really cute. Y'all, I think Shein might have did something. They ain't do nothing. It's me from the future giving you bonnet and eyebrows. As you can see, these are the eyebrows outside. And I don't know. It's kind of a no for me. Like, I don't know. It's just not giving what it gave in my bathroom. So these might be catfish eyebrows. Like eyebrows you put on to take pictures inside or in your ring light. In my next Get Ready With Me video, I don't know when that'll be. Maybe in a week or two. I'm still waiting on my skin to calm down. My forehead has gone crazy again. That's kind of my fault. So once that settles down, we're gonna do a Get Ready With Me because I got like 2 wigs to show y'all. So we can talk about wigs and we can test these eyebrows again, except on cleaner eyebrows. So we'll see what is really giving. I like it. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of this video. I'll see y'all next week. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and love you guys. Peace.